Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make extra payments on your SoFi loan. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the Discover. We have the watch list. Here we have the account. We have the invest. We have the orders. And in the bottom right corner, we have the social. But now, guys, let's see how you actually go and make extra payments on SoFi Loan. So to make extra payments on your SoFi Loan, you have a couple of options. One-time additional payments, so log into your SoFi account, navigate to your personal loan, and select the option to make a one-time payment. You have recurring additional payments, so log into your SoFi account, go to your personal loan and select Manage Auto Pay. Choose amount over minimum payment to set up the additional amount to be taken out with your auto pay each month. Remember, even if you make an additional manual payment, your auto pay will still process on the due date unless you turn it off. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.